Alright guys, I got my hair cut. It was down to about here, so I got several inches cut off. I'm very excited. Every time I have my hair short, I want it to be long, and as soon as it grows back, I'm like, oh, time to cut it. But it's hair. It'll grow back. It'll be fine. I don't think I'll be able to do buns anymore. Maybe a tiny baby bun, but we'll see what I can come up with. But so far, just having my hair down, it's not like in my face and all over the place the way that my longer hair was, like when I would bend over to open a cabinet to get a pan out or something, you know? So the shorter hair is a lot nicer right now. I am enjoying it. Alden wants to say something.
Yeah, I'll get foaming gun on my game right for you.
No, keep your game plugged in. He plays this cop game, so he has a lot of guns in his game.
Yeah, woman for you.
Where he has to hunt down bad guys.
That bad guy. See you guys when I go right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And right here. And right here.
Yep. Alright, I have not thrown makeup on today, but I might go throw a little bit on just for the heck of it and figure out what sounds good for me to eat because I haven't really eaten today. So I'm going to go do that. My fiance will be back soon. He just ran to the store, so I probably won't vlog, you know, that much while he's here. But I'll see what I can do. And, yeah, we'll go from there. I just kind of wanted to show you guys my new haircut. Look at my little baby ponytail. It is so cute. I hate wearing ponytails when my hair was as long as it was. It just, like, got in my way. So I tried to put it, like, up high on my head like I usually like. And it's just so little. And I threw some makeup on just to kind of feel put together. I don't know what the plan is when my fiance gets home. It's getting close to dinner time though, so gotta figure out what's for dinner. I want to kind of eat something right now because I haven't really eaten much today. I had one piece of pizza. Okay, really? I had 3 pieces of pizza, but that's it, and I'm starving, so gonna go find something to munch on, wait for him to get home. Yeah, hopefully have like a resting, relaxing night. Apparently we're supposed to get an ice storm tonight, so that's fun. But I will try and vlog here and there. If I don't vlog the rest of the day, it'll just be like when he's sleeping that I can finish vlogging, because you guys know how I am. Very weird. But my sister is seriously the best ever. She dropped off my Christmas present last night. I had fallen asleep because she got off work late. She had to go home and take care of her cats and stuff. And I had fallen asleep before I heard back from her. So she left a gift bag, which was the cutest gift bag ever. It's right here. It has the red truck with the Christmas trees. And she had 1 handmade gift and 2 other gifts for me. So she handmade this ornament. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Little Santa Claus ornament. My sister is seriously amazing. And then she got me this game. She actually sent me a picture of it when she was at Target, and I was like, I need that in my life. I had no idea she was going to get it for me. It is hella 90s pop culture trivia game. And, I mean, I was born in 1990, so I consider myself a 90s kid, even technically baby, but I grew to be 9 years old in the 90s, so I am a 90s kid, early 2000s kid, but I love everything 90s, so I'm so excited to play this, even though I don't have anybody to play it with. Like, my best friend is so lucky. Her and her husband, like, actually play games together, board games, card games, computer games. And my fiance is just not really a game person. and my best friend isn't here to play that with me. So I need to either get together with my sister and play with her, or hell, I'll have fun just reading the cards myself. But look at this notebook / journal she got me. First of all, beautiful, sparkly. So then you open it up, and there's this really cute, already laid out page with, like, you could put a monthly quote, bills that are due, your month at a glance, goals, notes, and I guess you could put the month. And then here's, like, the calendar, so I can start this for January. So this could be, like, January 2021. And then here's the calendar. And then it has, like, this really cool to-do list page, a tracker. You can keep track of your mood, budgeting, food, all kinds of stuff. Another habit tracker. Well, this is an actual, like, habit tracker. I honestly don't really understand how habit trackers work, but I'm going to learn. And you guys know I'm obsessed with notebooks. This notebook is so cool. Look at this. Like, you could fill in these little things, draw in them, color in them, put stickers in them. And then I guess this would be, like, February. And then it starts again with the calendar page. And like, this is seriously the coolest thing. And then I guess there's blank pages all the way back in the back. But this is the coolest thing. I've never seen something like this before. And it's so beautiful. It's black and sparkly. And oh my god. I love it so freaking much. And the outer cover said Recollections. And I didn't think that was Target. Is Recollections like a brand they sell at Michael's? Because I know she's been to Michael's a lot lately. Either way, she's the best. She really didn't have to get me anything. Now, I didn't get her a specific Christmas present because I did that, like, gift basket for her, which was kind of like a late birthday present / present to help her with her, like, loss of her favorite dog in the entire world. But I'm totally going to get her something in return. And the fact that she handmade a lot of stuff for people, but the ornament was beautiful. This is amazing. And the 90s game is just, oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Just sitting here filling out more of my journal. I have the movie Limitless on with Bradley Cooper in it. Alden is playing his game right now.
I do because
but
I want to make my own hat at a game.
Your own house?
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
Yeah.
So I'm just figuring out my planner. So sad Christmas is over. But yeah, getting this done. Going to write down a few more ideas for videos. Watch a little more of this movie. This is when his life changes. He's going to take that pill and turn into a completely different person. And that's when he has his glow up and he looks sexy. I love Bradley Cooper. So just going to watch a little bit of this, and when I'm done journaling or plannering, whatever, I'm going to play ball with Alden. Alright, welcome to another cooking session with Diana. I will be making buffalo chicken pasta tonight. I have not yet done this on my channel. I actually haven't made it in a long time. It's very, very easy. If you guys like buffalo, chicken, anything, or anything spicy, you guys will like this. So let me show you what all you need for it. Alright, you need a box of penne noodles. I have the tri-colored penne just because that's all I have. I mean, it won't change the flavor at all. You will need half a cup to a cup of ranch, and then half a cup to a cup of buffalo sauce. I usually do a full cup of each. And then because I'm lazy and don't want to cook chicken, I typically just buy cans of chicken so it's easier and much faster to make. Open, drain them, kind of, you know, chop it up with a fork. And then you need some cheese. So for right now, I'm just going to wait for this pot to boil to pour in the penne noodles, and we will go from there. Okay, I poured in the penne. That'll take about 11 minutes to boil, so I'm going to let that do its thing. And then what I need to do is get a cup of ranch, a cup of this, mix it together, which typically that really grosses me out, but I know the outcome is delicious, so I'm going to find a bowl to do that in, and then I'm going to kind of chop up the chicken with some forks and just have that all ready. Alright, so I just put a cup of each into a measuring cup because it's deep enough, and it'll make it easier to pour over the pasta once the pasta is done and in a baking dish. I just hate mixing things like this, even though I love ranch and buffalo sauce. I just remember in grade school when kids used to mix together ketchup and mayonnaise at lunchtime to dip their chicken nuggets in, and I swear it made me want to throw up every single time I saw them do that. It just, first of all, those two things should never be mixed together. I already don't like the smell of ketchup, but I do like ketchup, and I hate the word mayonnaise. I don't know. Mixing the two always grossed me out as a kid, and all the kids used to do it. Blech. And then I took a fork and just kind of shredded up the chicken, so now I'm just waiting for these noodles to be done so I could drain them and put them in a baking dish. Very quick and simple and delicious meal. Okay, so I poured in the sauce mixture, kind of mixed it up with the noodles a bit, and then I just added all of the chicken I kind of shredded up on top. Now I'm going to mix all of this together, throw it in a pan. I will mix some shredded cheese up with this, pour it in here, cover it with shredded cheese, put it in the oven for 350, really just until the cheese melts on top. Typically I use a bigger pan, but don't have one at the moment. Topped it with cheese. Now it'll go in the oven. And again, you really just want to leave it in there until the cheese melts, and then it's done. And it's done. Seriously, super quick, super simple, super easy, and typically I would think most people would have the ingredients on hand, but I will definitely leave the ingredients in the description box in case anybody wants to make this for themselves. Now I am watching Horrible Bosses, filling out more of my planner, listening to them yell and run around. This movie is so funny, but I could hardly hear what they're saying because of them. But it's going on 7 o'clock soon, so I'm going to watch this movie, and then we're probably going to lay in bed and relax and call it a night.